Have you ever needed to add data that seemed repetitive? Well, let Excel do it for you. You've probably never really noticed the tiny square that appears in the bottom right of a cell when you click on it. It can actually help you automatically add data. Let's have a quick look at how that works. Type the number 1 in the cell. Click on that cell. You should see a small square appear in the bottom right hand corner. Click on the small square and drag it down or across. As you can see, it copies the number 1 to every cell. Okay, so it's not too useful yet, but you get the idea. This time you're going to add a little bit more data to Excel so it can figure out what it needs to do. Click in a new cell. Add 1 to the first cell. In the cell beneath, type 2. This time select both of the cells. Click on the small square in the bottom right hand corner and drag it down. This time Excel understands the pattern that you want, and it will continue your pattern as far as you drag it. Autofill many things: days, dates, even operations. You get the idea. Let me know in the comments any time-saving tips you have.